Welcome to this technical guide on the TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM21 has erratic temperature control, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a malfunctioning clutch or temperature sensor, leading to inaccurate readings and an inability to regulate temperature effectively. If left unchecked, it can cause further damage to the device or even lead to complete failure. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a precision screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, some thermal paste, and a multimeter for testing. Before starting, ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by safely opening your TM21. Use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, locate the temperature sensor and clutch assembly. They are usually situated near the main circuit board. You'll need to gently disconnect any cables attached to these components, noting their positions for reassembly later. When removing the faulty components, be careful not to damage any nearby parts. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to take a break. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After extracting the old components, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new temperature sensor and clutch correctly before securing them in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure to apply thermal paste if required, ensuring optimal heat transfer. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back panel of the TM21, securing it with the screws. Finally, power on your device to verify that the temperature control functions correctly. If it operates smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring in the future, consider regularly cleaning your TM21 and ensuring it is used in an environment with stable temperatures. Regular maintenance can help avoid unnecessary wear and tear on these components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.